Let's double check the link with my customer set. What's going on now? Guys, the global targets, you remember for this year, if everything will be okay with the altcoins, with the BTC, if BTC at least show the cat bounce, I think the alt can recover a little bit, but I don't think so. The link will hit the new all-time high, of course, this year. Maybe it's on 27, but I don't know. I don't want to talk about the timing. We can't predict the time, but the target, at least conservative one, is $34 round number. It's 0.5 level of the all-time high for the future. I truly believe that one day the Chainlink gonna reach the 76.48. So this is the target. The same story, guys, absolutely the same pattern, the same charts for Sol, for Ethereum, absolutely identical, but Sol sweep the high, Ethereum and Link just lagging. So I think the Chainlink here to stay with us. So this is a global accumulation zone, like you remember 8.16 and 4.74. It's a global spot accumulation zone. Is it possible so we can drop lower? Yes, of course. Now BTC hold the line pretty good. I hope we hold it. If not, the road for the BTC can be even to 49K. I think there can be the real bottom for the BTC. 49, 50K, more than real to see. Over than 50% down. So this is a spot position. Weekly time frame, guys. It was a monthly. And like you can see here, the retest, the 50 EMA on a monthly, it's 1335. So definitely we can't drop forever down, That's why I think anyway we will rebound. Maybe even in May. Till May we can rebound to 13.22, consolidate in a range like 15.8, consolidate, and only after that, after the boring summer, maybe we will recover back a little bit higher. We will see. Now, weekly time frame, guys, absolutely the same story. Like you can see the price on the link. The price reacts so accurate from the levels. And one retest was 18 level by FIB. Second one on a Donald Trump dump. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, around 10, even 10 weekly candles. We just hold the line around the 18 level by FIB. If we not hold this line, guys, of course, we can stop even, I don't know, 50% of this range, like 637. Of course, if BTC crashes down from now, we can crash much, much harder. This is a weekly time frame DAS process. So take a look, the 50 EMA already across the 100 EMA, 50 across now 200 EMA. How it playing out previously? Basically, here only was the across these lines. And the 200 MA only appeared in November 2022, so we can't say how it played out in history. But anyway, sooner or later, we will recover back and cross the lines back up. But it can be even this move. So the boring summer and the chop market can be ridiculous for all of us, because the last time, guys, we traded in the range of 525 days. I can't even imagine if the history repeat, guys, and we're gonna test this level of 526. Oh no! It jeweled somebody 7, guys. Imagine if the history repeat. It looks like not a big deal, right? But it's 525 days around over the year. So I hope everything will be okay with the link now, because I think if we traded 500 days in just the chop market, just a lot of people move out from the crypto at all. All right, so let's double check, guys, with multi. I showed you with other indicators, trading sessions, guys. I would like to double check them. That one, the yearly open. So this is what definitely interests for me. Yearly open, and the monthly open, of course, is here. But here, the yearly open is 1342. So it's exactly around the 50 EMA. So definitely we will one day, and I think this year, we will see the Chainlink 1340. So it's a test of 50 EMA. The EMA is dynamic, and the test of yearly open of 2026. After that, I repeat again, it can be the boring chop market, something like this one for the next 500 days. But I hope not, guys. I hope we recover now. 50% of this downtrend move, retest something, and go to this area. Maybe it's gonna be the end of this rally, and after that we press it down once again to the bottom. Maybe that's why, guys, all the time, if you decide to buy now at, for example, $9, just at 18 withdraw initial deposit, it will be not a mistake. Trade on and take profit, guys. What is good, what is bad now for the link? My alert still not triggered, so take profit signal still not reached, unfortunately, guys. So it's kind of bad. It's bearish, not like extra bearish. It's not like a crazy time to buy. I think soon we will see that signal. And also on take profit, guys, I added the alerts. This one, take profit line, and this one, it's 2016. So also, I think one day we're going to reach that target, but lines are dynamic. That's why I recommended to add alerts to the lines, not to the price level. Everything in dynamic, and it can change immediately. Here, the bad case, guys, it's a 50% of this range, and now it's a buy line on the daily. It's a 674. I hope will not drop that low, but it's possible. Just it's possible. And here, trade on, we close. ADZ direction market mood, guys. This is a neutral zone on a daily time frame. This is a hopium on market mood on a daily time frame, weekly time frame. It's a crazy capitulation zone, and we've never seen the biggest accumulation zone ever on the Chainlink. Not even here, and not even 2022. So I think it's good. So by the way, there was some news about the Coinbase, so integrate the Chainlink somehow. So I recommend you just go and double check. And this is a capitulation zone on a monthly, on a weekly, and the disbelief on the weekly, on the monthly. So we never seen the biggest accumulation ever on the monthly one take. It's bullish. We've been here in the accumulation and this disbelief since January. Last time we took like January 3 till September 3 before we pump. Maybe this time we're going to be the same. But now more signals, guys, about the accumulation. So for the spot, I think if you believe in Link, and I think the Chainlink is good project, you can buy it for the spot. I'm going to touch the Link only if we drop under $6. So this is my take, guys, for the spot. Now I'm not touching, only speculation. This was accumulation like 1, 2, 3, 4 weeks in a row. End of January, beginning of February. Now nothing. Daily, also nothing. Just tiny one accumulation. So guys, write please in the comment what do you think about a Link. If you'd like to trade with my customer, what I showed in this video, just write me the DM. Don't forget, join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.